In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new SSH key to your GitHub account. This process is essential if you're looking to securely connect your computer to GitHub, allowing you to push changes or pull updates without repeatedly entering your login credentials. Adding an SSH key can seem daunting initially, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so it's as simple and straightforward as possible. First, start by heading over to the GitHub homepage and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for and click on the option labeled Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Right now, what we're interested in is under SSH and GPG keys. Go ahead and click there. This is where you will manage your SSH keys, which act as a more secure way of accessing your repositories compared to traditional passwords. After you've navigated to the SSH and GPG keys settings, you'll notice a button that says New SSH Key. Click on this button to get started with adding your new key. Doing so will bring up a form where you can input your key details. Here, you'll need to provide a title for your SSH key. This title can be anything you like, but it's usually best to choose something descriptive that helps you remember what the key is used for, such as home laptop or work desktop. Next, you'll select the key type. Generally, you'll leave this as the default option unless you have a specific need to change it. Now comes the part where you add the actual key. Paste your SSH key into the key field provided. If you're unsure how to generate an SSH key, don't worry. I can cover that in another video, but it's generally a straightforward process that your terminal can handle in just a few steps. After entering all the necessary information, review it to ensure everything is correct, then click on the Add SSH Key button. And that's it. You've successfully added a new SSH key to your GitHub account. Congratulations on completing this important step towards enhancing your GitHub workflow security. Remember, using SSH keys not only secures your connection, but also saves you the hassle of repeatedly typing in your username and password. This concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.